Do you want to know why I am stupid? Let me show you. Yeah, this was almost up for replacement again. I recently changed this hose and honestly, it never even crossed my mind that I should secure it somewhere to prevent bending or breaking. This time I got lucky, but next time I might not. Moments like this remind me that when I'm doing something for the first time, I should think ahead about what could go wrong later so I can avoid issues like this. Consider this little reminder for myself to be more careful in the future. And since smart people learn others' mistakes, remember this next time. Even the simplest thing can go wrong. So let's fix it. So you can see that's it. That's all the extra time I should have spent on it. So, yeah, remember this.